Hi everybody, Denay here, and I wanted to pull together the recipe for my creamy garlic chicken and mushrooms. I want a big shout out and thank you to all the members who gave me ideas on what to do with my dollar bag of mushrooms. I really appreciate that. You guys are on, and a big shout out to Grandma Recipes on Facebook. Thank you guys. I can't thank you enough, and I wrote down each and every suggestion. Yes, I did. But I wanted to go through and show you what I did because a number of people asked me for the recipe and I wanted to share that. Now, you know I'm a scratch cook, but I'm going to do the best I can. I started out with some olive oil and butter and just melted that until golden. And then I added my chicken meatballs. The recipe is below the video. And I'll give you everything that I do. I don't overcook mine. I cook them until they're just golden. And then I remove them to a plate. You see it there on the side. And then I keep everything in the pan and start sauteing my onions, my green onions. And I caramelize them. Now, a lot of people don't. They want it just so. But I don't know. Caramelization is flavor to me. So, therefore, that's kind of what I do. And after I caramelized everything, kept it on a low medium, I added garlic. Yes, that is garlic. I had maybe 5 cloves. I don't mince it. I just chopped it up and put it in there. I like the flavor of garlic and I like to bite down on it. Then I added my mushrooms. You'll see I added a little bit more butter. And then I added my heavy cream and a rich chicken stock. Now, you can, use store-bought chicken stock. I make mine, with the gizzards and the neck, chicken necks and the tips of the chicken wings and all of that, and put it in the freezer for later use. I don't always do that, but a lot of times I do. I'm sort of an older lady, so I have a little time on my hand and I get in the kitchen and do that. Don't judge me. I'm doing the best I can. But that's what I do. And you're going to add your chicken stock to this. And once you do that, this is what you're going to get when it cooks down. You're going to get this beautiful creamy sauce. And oh my goodness, it is delicious. Now all the seasonings I put that in the recipe. I also add to this, to finish off the sauce, a 1/4 cup of cream sherry. Now you can use sherry, cooking sherry, white wine, or nothing at all. You don't have to use anything. It's up to you. You'll see I'm going to be splashing in this sherry in just a moment. And this just adds a richness to this cream sauce. It is absolutely divine. Now, once I add that, I'm going to add, of course, my meatballs. And once I add the meatballs, this is what you're going to get. Now, in the recipe, it says let it simmer on medium low for 5 or 6 minutes. Let me let you know, I let mine go a little longer than that. I let it go for about 10 minutes. Okay, and because I want that flavor to get all, and I toss those meatballs, finish it off with some parsley. I think I had a little bit of green onion left, and I tossed that in there too. Look, I'm not a gourmet chef. I'm not a gourmet cook. I'm just a good old down-home cook. That's it. And you can serve this dish over mashed potatoes, rice, or pasta. I happen to have some rice already prepared, so we served it over rice. It was a big hit. The sauce alone you can use, like I said, in other recipes. So when you taste it, think about that. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe to Denay's Test Kitchen, and also hit that notification bell for upcoming recipes. Thank you again, everybody.